So I'll just have to use my fingers or my... Ooh.
Whoever does it right, we'll pick 2 people who will be the giveaway winners.
Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. This place is amazing where I'm at right now. You guys obviously don't know it. This is in the outskirts of Pune. It's beautiful. It's 6:43 in the morning and that's why I look a little weird because I just woke up and I had to do this vlog. You know what? I'll explain later. Here are the beautiful B-rolls that can hook you for the entire video. My beer from last night is still here. So I'm here since 2 days now, here with my colleagues, and we had to work mostly. And I wanted to vlog obviously because there's something really amazing going on. You guys already know the brand Supervek. I'm sure most of you do, and they've sent me a few products to unbox and review, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. And you might wanna stay till the end because there's a giveaway that's happening, so don't miss that. So just a short recap of what my weekend looked like. For 2 days straight, we worked our asses off. Today, we're supposed to leave. I was supposed to vlog in the last 2 days, but I couldn't. So I woke up early in the morning and started doing this vlog. Now, my eyes look a little weird just because I woke up like half an hour ago. So you'll have to deal with that. Or I feel I should wear sunglasses. I'm going to do that. And for my today's outfit, I'm wearing a very oversized shirt. White shirt with brown baggy trousers. They're very baggy. The ones with the no pockets, you know, without the pockets, and my Yeezys. Let's go and unbox on our fancy unboxing table. Alright, I think this is gonna look much better, especially with Supervek when it's such a cool brand. So this is the package that they sent me. Let's just open it. Sadly, I don't have my unboxing knife, so I'll just have to use my fingers or my... Pretty cool. Right, this looks like one of the sling bags actually. Ooh. So if you can see this, unfortunately we don't have the top angle to show you the contents very well, but these all are Supervek's new sling bags. If you can see, pretty cool, pretty cool. These are the new sling bags. One's in yellow, it's kind of a neon yellow. One has a good, really cool pattern. There's a blue, awesome, and a black color with a pattern on it. This is pretty cool as well. You know, I used to tell you to wear fanny packs or some sort of that, but I guess you shouldn't wear fanny packs anymore because they're just out of style, and I feel they're not good enough. Don't get me wrong, they're not bad looking or something like that, but compared to what we have right now, sling bags, you know, even before these came in, I shifted from my fanny packs to my sling bag. It's a sling bag from Zara, and you might have seen it in some of my Instagram reels or even my stories. Sling bags are the next big thing. They're already pretty big, and I feel they're more better looking and suit your outfits more than fanny packs ever could. Okay, so these bags are actually different as well because there's a price difference as well. So let's open the black one. The zips are pretty high quality, pretty spacious actually. You've got this super cool looking sling with an adjustable strap. We have something to hang this on. There's a reflective material here as well, right here. Oh, this thing can also open up just like that. There's another small little pocket to keep your stuff in. Oh, more pockets, more secret pockets in here. Keep your keys, your stuff. Really cool. So what's the difference between these? Okay, these two are similar, but this is a more bigger sized. Okay. So these two, amongst these two, there's the smaller one and there's the bigger one. The quality, everything is pretty much the same. They have the same good quality zippers and stuff. So the whole body is the same, it's just the size difference. Then there are these two. I feel this is the smaller one, and yeah, this is the larger size. These two are similar as well, with the reflective material, a similar pocket to keep your stuff in. Oh, you have a front pocket for here as well. And then you have the main zipper. But inside you don't get extra pockets. In here you get the one huge space to keep your stuff in. But I can see myself using these in different scenarios, and this one is the same. At the end of the video, obviously we're going to talk about the giveaway, and I'm going to give away 2 of these bags. Actually, plan was actually to give away all 4 of these sling bags, but I like these a lot. I'm going to keep 2 of these and give away 2 of these sling bags. Let's talk about that in the end of the video. When I go back home, I'm going to pair some really cool outfits with these. That's all for now. See you at my place.
Hello everyone, this is the next day. I'm shooting a reel for Instagram, you know, that's why all this mess, as you can see, not her, sorry. Yeah, we just done with the shooting, and that's why I'm wearing a suit. Otherwise you never see me wearing a suit, but you will see me more often wearing a suit nowadays. And if you want, I can make a video about suits as well, so drop it down in the comments if you do. And we also made a few outfits that I'm showing you right here on the screen. As you can see, there are 4 different bags, and we got 4 different outfits matching each bag. I did not have, honestly, a neon colored anything actually in terms of clothing or accessories, but if you do, it will be really good for you to pair it up with a neon sling bag, you know. But as I didn't have one, I went with the neutral gray Jordan 1s and an all black outfit. I made a complete reel out of these outfits, so you can go check them out on Instagram. They're right now up on my Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram. And if you want to buy these sling bags from Supervek, there's a link down in the description that will give you flat 10% off on your purchase. There are actually a lot of sling bags. These are not the only 4 firstly that Supervek has. They have a long list of sling bags. You can go through them and check them out and buy the one you want from the link in the description. Let's talk about the giveaway now. I'm gonna give away 2 sling bags, as I said. The rules are pretty simple of this giveaway. Hear me out. There's a reel, as I said, which was in collaboration with Supervek. You can go on my profile or Supervek's profile. You'll find that reel. Don't forget to follow me and Supervek on Instagram. Like the reel and put it in your stories and your Instagram stories. Tag 2 friends in the comment section of that reel. Whoever does it right, we'll have a list of them, and with a randomizer we'll pick 2 people who will be the giveaway winners, and I'll reach out to you personally. So it's just simple as that. On the reel there are instructions as well, just in case you're a little confused. You can go on the reel and check it out in the caption. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and vlogs like this actually. Follow me on Instagram once again. Thank you so much for watching again. Stay stylish, style sling bags with your outfits. Triple S out.